Good morning everyone. Now I've been asked about the kits, so I'm just going to show one kit. This is the large green kit. This one's £18. Yes, £18, and if you want it, say on this video, but the point of the video is to show what's inside. So I'm just going to tip it all out. It's all bagged ready. Oopsie daisy. And I'm just going to go through it bit by bit, because some people are not quite sure whether to buy from us or anything like that. Now I'm just going to shut the blind because it's a little bit sunny, and that's better. And I just want to make sure you can actually see. Yeah, I think you can. Okay, so this is an average kit. It is a large one, but an average large kit, £18, and for that you're getting all of this. So I'm going to go through this kit with you. Now, this is not a shabby chic kit. I mean, those are, you know yourself, those are absolutely cram-packed. But for this particular kit, it's a green kit. So there's various, I know there's pink. We put things in for you to take off and alter. Okay? And it's not hard to do this either. So in this kit you're getting a large piece of the green satin material. So I'm just going to put that there. We've give you a bag to alter. Like I say, you can alter all of this. You can cover it all up. That will come out. These will come out. You can redo it yourself. You've got cording in the kit, I think, if I remember. You've got some beautiful fabric that you could even make another one of those. You can cover a heart. There's lots of things you can use. It's a nice big fat quarter of that. Just beautiful. With that, we've got these bits here. So I'm just going to share each bag. Now, I bust this bag, so that's my fault, and it's I do apologise. So if you buy it, you know I've bust it. So I can't, I'm getting some bloody thing. Some of the bags are easy, and some of them are outside. I've got it. I might put it into another bag if I've got one this size. So let's go through the bag. You've got our picture. We own this one, and it's got our name on it, but you can't see it. You can if you look close. But we have those. I print those off. You're getting some appliques. I'm going to have to put it like this and put it back into the bag. I've handmade this one, so you'll get that. You're getting some more appliques. Anything green that we had, we were putting in the kit as well. You've got some heart trim that you can cut up. I know you've got pink buttons, but it's, well, you can say it, but actually it must be green and pink, this one. You've got some flowery buttons. You've got some of those with some turquoisey green and green beads. There's a pink tassel. One of those clusters. Some more of those in pink. Some beautiful pot beads. The green flowers. Some green and turquoisey trim. And then you've got a large doily. Okay? So you might want to do a plaque or a book or something like that. I'm not going to attempt to put that back in there. Then I've given you some jewellery. This is a vintage necklace, and it's all pearls, so you've all different sized pearls on that. You get let's have a look what's in this. Oh, here's some trims. You've got some green, cream, white, and a deep cream. Well, it's an off-white cream sort of triple row thing, I think. So you're getting those trims as well. See if you can open this without busting it. Let's have a look, see what we've got in here. Yeah, it is. It's all pink. That's your freebie. So you always get a, you know, if we've got them in, you'll have them. A bag of freebies. And they're great for making feet for boxes and whatnot. Some more jewellery pieces that you can, with charms and beads that you can take apart. Nice necklace. Lots of things you can make charms from and hang them from your projects. There's some more beads there. Vintage necklace. More beads there. Glass beads and lampwork beads. And you've got some more bits and pieces there. Okay, so lots for you to play around with. And hang on, I've got another bag yet. I've got two bags, I think. for you to do. I'm just going to put that on there. And do you know what? I'm also going to put in... Oh no, they're on sale, I can't. It's alright. Forget. There's lots in this for £18, I'll tell you. We've also got in here... Now, I don't want to take it all out. But look, you've got roses and flowers, you've got trims, you've got these, you've got pearl trim, you've got cording. You've got some more jewellery in there. You know, these acrylics. More bits there. Just plenty for you to play around with. And then you've got this one. And we always give you lots of jewellery because I've got tons of it. And these are your turquoise beads and what, oops, and crystals and whatnot. Look, you got those, all of that, another one of those. You've lots of things in there to play around with, all different shades. If you can't make anything with that kit, you need to come and watch my videos. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to pop that one in there as well. That is one beautiful big green pink kit, and if you want it, it's £18 plus shipping. It is heavy because of the jewellery, but we send it economy, so it'll be fine. Okay, so if you're after that, let me know. 18 quid. And that is just one kind of kit that we do. Our lace kits, when you're doing the shabby chic ones, I have to say, they are gorgeous and they are filled with laces and trims and as many things shabby chic that we can find. And I also, sometimes you might find a handmade flower from me, because I have got plenty. But you know, at the side where Joanne sits when she's packing for me, she has baskets and baskets and baskets, chocker of beads and jewellery. And look, this is a pearl bag, and we just delve in and find something that's appropriate for your kit, and then it all goes in your kit. Lots and lots of stuff, and we try and match up, like she's red stuff here. You know, if you're wanting a red kit, we do as much as we can in the red kit. So there's just tons, and we always make sure you're getting your money's worth, more than your money's worth. Because we come across this, like I say, I buy my jewellery in from car boots. A lot of it's new as well. It's not that it's used, but people get rid of it when they don't want to wear it or whatever, you know, or they've bought it and they don't like it, or somebody buys it them and they don't like it. They go on car boot and sell them. But, you know, I always try, when I go to the warehouses, I get as much as I can. And barter. I haggle like shit for you. And you know, who else would you get a kit like this with all of this in as much as that for 18 quid? Go to the shop, type in kits, type in whatever you're looking for. If you want me to make you a kit up of a particular colour, you'll get one like this. You know, 18, 20 quid. Depends on what you want to spend. But this is an £18 kit we have for sale. Okay? And we put in as much as we can. I love doing it. I love giving you as much as possible. You know, my tutorials are free. I put freebies in the bags. Not all the time, but a lot of the time. I'm just trying to see what else she's got tucked away. Is there anything else I can put in this kit? Well, actually, I can't. It's heavy enough as it is. But, actually, I've just found them. So I will. And they're only light. All green. No, they're not. The green and like a pearlised. So you can have them as well. They're lightweight. Look, these are our crystals. So when anybody wants a particular colour, we just delve in and grab them. Tons! Because it's all the jewellery take apart. I buy boxes and boxes of jewellery and then take it apart, or keep it if it's good and pass it on to you lot. So I can do it that price. Please run the shop, because that what you do there keeps me going here. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon.